At this very moment, as you process these words, invisible hands are pulling your strings. Someone, somewhere, is betting on your predictable reactions, profiting from your unconscious compliance, harvesting your emotional energy, like a farmer reaping wheat. And the most exquisite part of this grand deception, you're helping them do it. You sense it, don't you? That nagging suspicion that you're dancing to music you didn't choose, making decisions that somehow always benefit someone else, feeling generous when you should feel suspicious. Now receive the intelligence briefing that will change everything. Manipulation isn't some mysterious dark art practiced by criminal masterminds. It's a simple game, played by psychological amateurs, and you've been losing because you didn't even know you were playing. The strings are visible, the game is rigged, but the house always wins only as long as you remain blind to the rules. Welcome to the theater of reality, unconscious performer. Every day you step onto a stage where invisible puppet masters pull strings you cannot see, directing a play you never auditioned for. The manipulation economy operates on 3 fundamental currencies, and every master puppeteer uses the same ancient playbook. First currency, your guilt. Watch out for the weaponization of your conscience. After everything I've done for you, I'm just disappointed. I thought you cared about. These are not expressions of hurt. They are surgical strikes designed to make you abandon your boundaries in order to restore someone else's comfort. Second currency, your urgency. Notice the manufactured crisis. This offer expires tonight. Everyone else is doing it. We need to decide now. Urgency is the enemy of wisdom, and the puppeteer knows that rushed decisions are profitable decisions. Third currency, your identity. Observe how they redefine who you are. You're not the type of person who. Someone like you would never. I know you better than you know yourself. They're not describing you. They're sculpting you into their ideal puppet. But here's the secret that separates sovereigns from marionettes. You always know when you're being played. Your body whispers warnings your mind refuses to hear. That slight tension in your chest, that fleeting desire to escape, that inexplicable need to justify your actions. These are your internal security alarms screaming at maximum volume. The tragedy isn't that manipulation is subtle. The tragedy is that you've been trained to ignore your own detection system for fear of appearing paranoid, ungrateful, or difficult. You choose blindness to maintain the illusion of harmony. You silence your intuition to preserve relationships that were never serving you. You become complicit in your own exploitation because seeing the truth would require action. Enough reconnaissance. It's time for the counterintelligence protocol. The puppet string cutter. Phase 1. The recognition protocol. When you feel that familiar tug of manipulation, the guilt, the urgency, the redefinition, you will not react. You will respond with this tactical question. Interesting. Who benefits if I say yes to this right now? Follow the money, follow the power, follow the benefit trail, and you'll find your puppeteer. Phase 2. The silence weapon. Deploy strategic non-reaction. The manipulator's power comes from your predictable emotional responses. When they pull the guilt string and you don't dance. When they manufacture urgency and you remain calm. When they attempt identity sculpting and you smile knowingly. Their entire system collapses. Phase 3. The power reversal. Turn their weapons against them. When they weaponize guilt, respond with curious compassion. You seem upset that I have boundaries. That must be difficult for you. When they manufacture urgency, slow everything down. This sounds important. Let me take some time to think about it properly. When they redefine your identity, reclaim your narrative. I appreciate your perspective. I see things differently. Watch them reveal their true nature when their psychological tools become useless against someone who sees the game clearly. Record this intelligence as classified truth. Every manipulation attempt is actually a gift. It's someone showing you exactly who they are, exactly how they see you, and exactly how little they respect your sovereignty. The moment you see the strings, you become the one holding them. Your submission was never their right. It was their gamble, and now you know how to make them lose. The strings are cut. The game is reversed. The theater is under new management.